Professor Malin from Harvard first said no more Copilot for students, and now he's introducing his own version. But I think what's really important, especially when you're growing fast, is to keep the why in mind. Like, why are you doing this? Like, I also think it's super important to talk to your users.
If you're going to build a great business, like, what are you here to do? Are you solving a problem for a set of people? Are you doing it well? And are you building a great business around it?
Hey Grant, I'd be interested to see if there's synergy between our companies.
God help you if you show up to a VC pitch meeting wearing a suit. That is the last one I've done. So,
My name is Tom Bigala with Bison Ventures. Bison is an early stage venture capital firm focused on investing in frontier tech companies that enable a healthier person, a healthier planet.
Hi, I'm Lila Preston, and I am partner at Generation Investment Management. Generation is a dedicated sustainable investment management platform.
Justin Oberdorf, Lightspeed Venture Partners. Lightspeed is a global venture capital firm that invests everything from pre-seed all the way to pre-IPO. We invest across four main areas: enterprise software, consumer, healthcare, biotech, and then financial services. The perfect conditions aren't necessarily a requirement to go out. Eventually you have to become an adult and put your big kid pants on.
I'm Alexa Von Tobel. I'm a repeat entrepreneur and now managing partner of a fund that's 5 years old, early stage capital fund called Inspired Capital. We do napkin the Series A generalist fund, and just really excited to be here. I feel like it's an interesting time to be an investor.
Yeah.
A lot of the thinking of a CEO was, what do I need to do to get to my next raise? I'm going to throw out a big idea, which potentially most of those stops go away, and you have a seed and an A, and then you get to real product market fit and potentially even profitability. And when you raise again, it's because you're a profitable company going after a bigger market. And that kind of flips the entire way to think about venture on its head, and on whether or not the founder really is in it for the long haul, because some of the quick wins that we saw over the last 5 to 8 years, we're going to have fewer of those, is my prediction.
Bella, I own an immersive content discovery platform. You go from movie to movie, hyperlink in, works in AR, and geotag them all over the planet.
Cool, very cool.
Yeah, can I give you a card?
Thank you.
And Eric, I work with 360 Tech for the last 10 years.
Oh, wow, okay, wonderful.
Have you ever worked with it?
I have, no, I haven't.
Love Narcos.
Thank you very much.
Yes, we like to allow people to leave stuff behind. See, so this is a Spherio, and it moves around, and then you can put hyperlinks to Expedia, for example, right? And you can tag them anywhere in the world.
To take a step back and make a massive change that is disruptive, you kind of need a disruption to allow you the space to do that.
Expedia was the first online travel company.
And now we're in a place where we're really set free and can move with much greater pace than we think anybody in the space. If you don't understand your customer, it's useless. No one cares how we do it. Like, customers don't care how we do it. They're just glad we can do it. We're letting customers play with new ideas because we want to try things. So I get less excited about plan my whole itinerary. You know, I don't necessarily need your plan my whole itinerary, but help me through the process of narrowing the world down. That's a really exciting opportunity.
Here's our Renaissance year.
Peter, there's a lot of parallels in what you were saying.
That concludes our program in the forum.
It's an immersive content creation platform, kind of like spatial social media. I love it. So this is a Spherio of movies. You can go inside of it, and then you can select an object, swipe through, but then physical space. Connecting space and time, that's something that we do. Now people are geotagging immersive object collections all over the world. Not that. Each one tells a story. It's all a story. So yeah, brands can use it, of course.
Get off your ass and mobilize yourself, empower yourself. If you are in a room with somebody that is your hero or an inspiration, somebody, go and ask them a question. Those are the chances you get in life, right? Software foundry. Business school.
Did you see the mayor?
I would say get involved, get involved, get involved.
So Mike,
I built a big tech company out of this. Oh, great. I'd like to talk about it in the future.
we'll love to. Good stuff.
I'm great. I'm going to raise some money out of it. Are you going to be at Ingenuity this week?
I'll probably be there.
I'll see you there.
Yeah, see you, Mike. See you back in Cleveland.
For sure.
As you know, SLOT acronym, it's a sociable log of all conversation and knowledge. That's what it stood for. Bringing both digital and physical together, and all of a sudden, something that was impossible became possible.
When we started Dive about 4 years ago, my co-founder and brother, his name is Eric, he's a big K-pop artist.
So to come take a card, we also tell stories.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Well, you talk very fast. Many words about coffee come out of your mouth.
Because the timer's like 59, 58, 57, 56.
You have so many facts to say. So many.
Exactly.
You're welcome. As you travel, this allows you to make 3D objects and then leave them behind. And then when other people discover them, they can contribute. Here you go.
We're staying here.
Today, when the alarms start going off, oh my God, not please, no. Me too, a little bit. You ever use camera like this?
No. It's beautiful.
Yeah, you see?
Like art.
It's very much like art. Fast Company Innovation Festival has been phenomenal. I think I was just speaking with like a Korean princess. I was talking to Marissa. She was saying that none of this was built when she lived down here 8 years ago. What did she say? If you build it, they will come.
So the best way to get the most eyeballs on what you make is to have your theatrical window, go to home, and then once you're in home, migrate to different services.
I've been shooting with 360 for 10 years.
Oh, good luck. Thanks.
I got some good IP.
You got some good IP? Yes. All right.
This is what I primarily shoot with, 360.
Okay. All right. I've never done it. I've never done it.
Be perfect for horror.
All right.
I believe it. I own a software company. Yeah, here, there you go.
Thank you. Actually, I have something have a picture of me in front of it. I was to take your card. Oh.
You already have it in your hand.
Whoa! Doing the 2 o'clock social video upstairs.
Oh, you're kidding.
Make sure to participate. It's very interactive.
I absolutely will, believe me.
So I thought that was the main stage.
Oh. Where people want to use that to because it's cool to do. So go on Fiverr, just look up UGC people in New York City. User-generated content. They're cheap, they're great, they're hungry, it's easy. AI and the writer's strike. The headline would be, why the writer's strike will never, ever end.
It's good. It's contradictory. It's very clickable.
Kathy, we use Google every day for everything. Would you mind? It's a surprise.
What an exciting time to be alive. Because there's only certain times in human history where things really, really change. Sad to me is like that very excited. I can't make money. I think it's normal to be afraid of something, and when you're afraid of something where you feel left out and then you think it's a threat, but it actually can benefit anyone that participates.
Thank you, Brian.
Brian, I have exactly what you're looking for. I have exactly what you're looking for. That's that.